Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use Kickserv. Kickserv is a robust software designed to streamline operations for contractors and service-based businesses. Whether you are managing customer relationships, tracking jobs, or processing payments, Kickserv offers a comprehensive suite of tools to keep your business running efficiently. 1. What is Kickserv and why use it? Kickserv is an all-in-one field service management software built specifically for contractors and service-based businesses. It provides tools to help manage leads, track jobs, send estimates, schedule appointments, and handle invoicing and payments. Whether you are in plumbing, electrical work, HVAC, or any other trade, Kickserv can help you save time and improve the efficiency of your business operations. Key features of Kickserv include customer management. Keep track of customer information, service history, and communication logs. Job management. Easily create, assign, and track jobs or work orders. Estimates and invoices. Quickly generate professional estimates and invoices to send to clients. Scheduling and dispatching. Efficiently manage appointments and dispatch work to field technicians. Payment integration. Collect payments directly from clients using integrated payment systems. Mobile app. Access your Kickserv account and manage jobs on the go. Now that you understand why Kickserv is a great tool for contractors, let's go through the steps of using it. 2. Signing up for Kickserv. Step 1. Visit the Kickserv website. Go to Kickserv's official website and click Sign up to start the process. Step 2. Choose your plan. Kickserv offers different pricing plans based on the size and needs of your business. Choose the plan that fits your requirements. You can also start with a free trial to test out the platform. Step 3. Enter your details. Provide your company name, email address, and other basic information to create your account. You will also be asked to enter billing information if you are upgrading to a paid plan after the trial. Step 4. Set up your account. Once sign up, you'll be taken through a brief setup process where you can customize your Kickserv account for your specific needs. 3. Setting up your Kickserv account. Once you have logged into Kickserv, you can customize your account by setting up business details, user roles, and preferences. Step 1. Add your business information. From the Settings tab, input your business details such as company name, address, phone number, and email. This information will be used for invoices and estimates. Customize your company logo, time zone, and working hours. Step 2. Set up your users. Kickserv allows you to add team members, field technicians, office staff, etc. Under User Management, click Add New User to enter their name, email, and role. You can assign different access levels such as admin or technician, depending on the role in your business. Step 3. Configure payment settings. In the Payment section, set up your payment processor, example Stripe or PayPal, so you can collect payments directly through Kickserv. 4. Managing customers and jobs. Once your account is set up, you can begin managing customers and their jobs. Step 1. Add a new customer. Navigate to the Customers tab and click Add Customer. Enter the customer's name, contact information, and any other relevant details. Kickserv allows you to attach notes about the customer, track their service history, and keep a record of past communications. Step 2. Create and assign jobs. To create a job, go to the Jobs section and click Create New Job. Enter the job details such as the job type, location, and any special instructions. Once the job is created, assign it to a technician or team member. Kickserv allows you to view all jobs on a calendar or map to keep track of current and upcoming work. Step 3. Job tracking. As work progresses, you can update the status of the job, example, pending, in progress, completed, and add notes for each step. Kickserv helps you keep a history of job updates and changes. Number 6. Scheduling and dispatching jobs. Kickserv scheduling and dispatching tools help you manage jobs and appointments efficiently. Step 1. Schedule a job. Go to the Scheduler tab to view your calendar. Click on a time slot and assign a job or task to a technician. You can easily see which technicians are available by checking their schedules. Step 2. Dispatch jobs to technicians. Once jobs are scheduled, Kickserv will notify your technicians of their assignments Technicians can view their jobs and updates in real time using the Kickserv mobile app. Step 3. Reschedule or edit jobs. If a job needs to be rescheduled, you can simply drag and drop the job to a new time on the calendar. You can also update job details at any time. Number 7. Invoicing and payments. Kickserv makes invoicing easy with customizable templates and integrated payment processing. Step 1. Create an invoice. Once the job is completed, navigate to the Invoices section and click Create New Invoice. Select the job or estimate, and Kickserv will automatically pull in the details. You can also add additional charges or apply discounts. Step 2. Send the invoice. Send the invoice directly to your customer via email. Kickserv allows you to customize the email message to make it more personal. Step 3. Collect payments. Kickserv integrates with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal to accept online payments. You can also record cash or check payments manually. Step 4. Track payments. The payments section of Kickserv helps you track which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding. You can set up automatic reminders for overdue payments. Number 8. Tracking and reporting. Kickserv offers robust reporting features to help you track performance and identify areas for improvement. Step 1. Access reports. From the Reports tab, you can view various reports such as revenue reports, track earnings over a specific period, job status reports, see the status of ongoing and completed jobs, technician performance reports, measure how much work each technician has completed. Step 2. Customize reports. Kickserv allows you to filter and customize reports to get the data you need. You can export reports to Excel for further analysis. Step 3. Analyze data. Use the data to optimize your operations. For example, if you notice that certain services are more profitable, you can adjust your marketing or pricing strategy. Number 9. Kickserv mobile app. The Kickserv mobile app makes it easy for field technicians to access job deals, update job status, and collect payments on the go. Step 1. Download the app. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for Kickserv to download the app. Step 2. Log into your account. After downloading, log in with your Kickserv credentials to access your job list and customer information. Step 3. Manage jobs on the go. Technicians can view job details, add notes, track time, and update job status directly from the mobile app. And that is all there is on how to use Kickserv. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.